In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell or give away an ebook using Teachable. First, log into your Teachable admin dashboard so you're working from the hub where all your products live. On the left-hand sidebar, click Digital Downloads. This area is dedicated to downloadable products like ebooks and bonus files. Click Create Digital Download to start your new ebook product. Give your ebook a clear, memorable name. Think of the title your readers will see on the product page and in their library. In the description, explain what the book is about, who it's for, and the results readers can expect. A few concise paragraphs with benefits, key topics, and even an estimated page count or reading time can help people decide quickly. Keep the tone friendly and informative, so it matches your audience. Next, upload a thumbnail image, which functions as your cover. Choose a high-quality image that looks sharp on both desktop and mobile. Make sure the text is readable at smaller sizes, and only use artwork you have the rights to. A clean, professional cover can dramatically increase conversions. On the same product page, scroll to the Content section. Upload your ebook file. PDF and EPUB are common choices. If you'd like to add extras, you can include multiple files here, such as worksheets, checklists, or an accompanying audio version. Label each file clearly so buyers instantly know what's what. If your PDF is large, consider exporting a web-optimized version to keep download times fast, and for EPUB files, confirm that the table of contents and navigation work as expected. Now it's time to decide how people will access your ebook. Go to the Pricing tab of your digital download product. Choose whether it's free or paid. Free makes the ebook available at no charge, which is great for audience building or nurturing existing students. One-time payment lets you set a single price for a straightforward purchase. If you want to spread the cost out, you can set up a payment plan so buyers pay in installments, which can help with higher-priced ebooks or bundles. Pick the option that aligns with your goals and the value of your content, and then save your pricing settings so they're applied to the product. You can always adjust pricing later as you learn what works. With content and pricing set, you're ready to publish. Review your title, description, cover, and files, and when everything looks good, publish your ebook. Once published, it's live on your school and ready for people to download or purchase, depending on the pricing you chose. You can update details or files anytime as your book evolves. That's all it takes to sell or give away your ebook using Teachable.